Now you are able to hear my voice. Everything is clear also. Yes, let us continue. Yes, let us continue. Now no more discussion. Now exercise 1.5. Represent the following fractions. Now we have to represent the fractions on the number line. So 4 upon 5 is a fraction. Any number which has numerator and denominator both. Numerator and denominator both is known as fraction. So now we want to represent this 4 upon 5 on the number line. So 4 upon 5 on the number line, what we do, we have the number line. Now let us represent 4 upon 5 on the number line. So this is my 0, then I have 1. Yes. Wait, some resolution is there. Wait. Yes. Wait. Arey, wait. Yes, now it will come, don't worry. अभी आएगा, वेट. हाँ, wait. Yes. Now, wait. Now it is very much clear. Now let us continue. See, my dear, it is very much. Yes. In my mobile also I can see it is clear. Now 4 upon 5. So 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Now we have to see the denominator part. Denominator is 5. So what I will do? It is plus 4 upon 5. So 0 to 1 I will divide into 5 equal parts. We divide numbers. We divide number line between 0 to 1. 0 to 1 into, you have to see the denominator. Denominator is 5. So into 5 equal parts. So we divide 0 to 1 into 5 equal parts. Yes, we divide 0 to 1 into 5 equal parts. So this is one part, second part, third part, fourth part and fifth part. So 0 means 0 upon 5. Then next part is 1 upon 5, then 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5, and 1 is same as 5 upon 5. So we divide number line between 0 to 1 into 5 equal parts. You have to see the denominator. Denominator is 5. So we divide 0 to 1 into 5 equal parts, such that each part is equal to 1 upon 5. Each part is equal to 1 upon 5. Yes. 5 upon 5. 5 upon 5 is same as 1. 5 upon 5 is same as 1. So 0 upon 5 is 0. Then 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5, 5 upon 5 is 1. So this 0 to 1 we have divided into 5 equal parts. And this is my number 4 upon 5. So you have to see the denominator. Denominator is 5. Denominator is 5. And so we divide the number line between 0 to 1. Mute the microphone. Number line between 0 to 1. Mute the microphone. Into 5 equal parts. Yes. Next time I will definitely not allow few students. Next time definitely I will not allow few students. So to represent the fraction 4 upon 5. Now see here. Yes. Yes. 1 upon 5. See, 0 each part. This is one part, second part, third part, fourth part, fifth part. Each part is equal to 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5. So first part is 1 upon 5. Second will be 2 upon 5. Third will be 3 upon 5. Fourth will be 4 upon 5. Next will be 5 upon 5. So, circle that, circle. So length of each part is 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5. Yes. Difference of each part or length of each part is 1 upon 5. Length of each part is 1 upon 5. Yes, it is very much clear. It is very much clear. It is very much clear. Yes, such a simple sum. Why you are not able to understand? 4 upon 5. 4 upon 5 is a fraction. We divide the number between 0 to 1 into 5 equal parts. 5 equal parts. So first 0 I can write 0 upon 5, then 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5, 5 upon 5, numerator and denominator are same, it becomes 1. So there are 5 equal parts and this fourth part is 4 upon 5. Fourth part is 4 upon 5. Now let us do the next one. Okay. Now second, B. Let us do B. B is 7 upon 9. B is 7 upon 9. Yes. Let us do 7 upon 9. First question was 4 upon 5. Mute the microphone. Question A was 4 upon 5. Now B is 7 upon 9. Yes. B is 7 upon 9. Yes. B is 7 upon 9. Now let us do 7 upon 9. 7 upon 9. Yes. Now how will represent 7 upon 9? How you will represent 7 upon 9? See the denominator. Denominator is 9. So I will divide the number line between 0 to 1 into 9 equal parts. Because the denominator is 9 into 9 equal parts such that each part is equal to 1 upon 9. I will divide the number between 0 to 1 into 9 equal parts. Yes, mute the microphone. Yes. So now this is 0 and this is 1. I will divide the number between 0 to 1 into 9 equal parts. Because the fraction is 7 upon 9, denominator is 9. So I will divide this 0 upon 9 is 0, then 1 upon 9, then 2 upon 9, then 3 upon 9, 4 upon 9, 5 upon 9, 6 upon 9, then make it little bit large, then 7 upon 9, then 8 upon 9, and this is 1 which is 9 upon 9. So where is 7 upon 9? 7 upon 9 is this fraction. 7 upon 9 is this fraction. So you have to see the denominator. Yes. So we divide number line between 0 to 1 into 9 equal parts. Mute the microphone because denominator is 9. So I will divide that. Yes, no problem. Yes. No. Whatever is the denominator, we divide the number between 0 to 1 into that equal parts. It is 9, so I will divide number between 0 to 1 into 9 equal parts. Whatever is the denominator, you have to divide the number between 0 to 1 into that equal parts, 9 equal parts. Because denominator is 9, 1 equal part, 2 equal part, 3 equal part, 4 equal part, 5 equal part, 6 equal part, 7 equal part, 8 equal part, 9 equal part. Yes. 9 upon 9, numerator and denominator are same, that number is 1. Yes, write fast. Yes, right. Okay, very good. Then C is 1 upon 8. That I am planning to give homework. No, 1 upon 8. So what you will do? You will divide. Yes. Why? See, two problem I have done. One problem you do. Yes. One more I am going to do. No, D is there, E is there, F is there, G is there. So many problems are there. Total 10 problems are there. 10 to 12 problems are there. C is 1 upon 8. You will divide the number line between 0 to 1 into 8 equal parts. C is 1 upon 8 is homework. C 1 upon 8 is homework. Yes, write this. C is homework. No. Yes. C is homework. Because there are 12 to 13 problems in this which I have to solve. So if I will go on solving each and every problem of same type, this is yes. Now next is C is homework. Now next is D. D is minus 3 upon 4. Now the number is negative. So what you will do? Yes, now the number is negative. Minus 3 upon 4. Yes, now we will divide the number on between 0 and minus 1. Number is negative. Now we draw the number line. Now see here. Now the number is negative. So instead of, if the number is positive, we take 0 to 1. Now the number is negative, minus sign. So I will divide the number between 0 to minus 1. 0 to minus 1. This is my 0. And somewhere it is minus 1. Somewhere it is minus 1. This is my number 0. And this is minus 1 somewhere. Because see, it is number is negative, no? Yes, yes, yes. Number is negative, minus sign, no? Negative. So if it is negative, I will take the number, divide the number between 0 to minus 1. So now I will write, we divide the number line between 0 to minus 1. Yes, number is negative, so I will take, divide the number between 0 to minus 1. 0 to minus 1 into, now process will remain same. Denominator is 4. So I will divide into 4. I will divide into 4 equal parts. Such that each part is equal to, yes, each part is equal to minus 1 upon 4. Each part is equal to minus 1 upon 4. Now the number is negative, minus sign. If the number is positive, plus sign, I will take 0 to 1. Now the number is negative, so I will take, divide the number line between 0 to minus 1, because number is negative, into 4 equal parts. So we divide this, 0 is same as 0 upon 4. Then next, minus 1 upon 4, one part. Then minus 2 upon 4, second part. Minus 3 upon 4, third part. And minus 4 upon 4 is minus 1. And where is minus 3 upon 4? This is my minus 3 upon 4. So we divide number line between 0 to minus 1, because the number is negative. So yes, denominator will remain positive only, 4 only. Denominator will remain positive only. The number, yes, we divide that into 4 equal parts. Because denominator is 4. But the number is negative, so I will divide the number line between 0 to minus 1. Yes. Yes, right. Yes. Now the number is minus 3 upon 4. Number is negative. So I have to divide the number line between 0 to, instead of 0 to 1, I will take 0 to minus 1. And divide this into 4 equal parts. Divide this into 4 equal parts. Divide this into 4 equal parts. Divide this into 4 equal parts, such that each part is equal to minus 1 upon 4. Now next, E is minus 1 upon E is minus 1 upon 4. So E will be homework, minus 1 upon 4, same thing. E minus 1 upon 4 will be homework. Yes, you right. E is minus, no, F I will do. E is minus 1 upon 4 is homework. Now let me do F1. F is minus 8 upon 9. F is E is homework, minus 1 upon 4, that is homework. Now let us do F. Yes. F also, if you want, I can. F is minus 8 upon 9. F is minus 8 upon 9. So let us see. No, let me do this part. Minus 8 upon 9. Now the number is negative. Now the number is negative, so I will divide the number between 0 to minus 1. 0 to minus 1 into how many equal parts? Yes, how many equal parts? 9, because denominator is 9. So first is 0 upon 9 is 0, then 1 upon minus 1 upon 9, minus 2 upon 9, minus 3 upon 9, minus 4 upon 9, minus 5 upon 9, minus 6 upon 9, wait, minus 6 upon 9, minus 7 upon 9, minus 8 upon 9, and last is minus 9 upon 9 is minus 1. So where is minus 8 upon 9? Minus 8 upon 9 is this number. Minus 8 upon 9 is this number. We have to divide that into 8 equal parts. So we write, after this we write, E is minus 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4. So we divide the number line between 0 to minus 1 into 9 equal parts. 9 equal parts such that each part is equal to minus 1 upon 9. Minus 1 upon 9. Yes, right. Number is negative. C was homework, then E was homework, F I have done. Yes. 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 F is minus 8 upon 9. Yes. 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 Right. Yes. Build this. Yes. Right. Wait. Let me decide. Yes. Or yes, write fast. Yes. See, you have to be. You can see the video, no problem. Now next G is 1. G is 1 is to 1 by 2. F I have done minus 8 upon 9. Minus 8 upon 9. Yes. Now mute the microphone. See here. Wait. 1 is to, wait. Who is talking? Please mute the microphone. 1 is to 1 by 2. This is a mixed fraction. See here. 1 is to 1 by 2. Wait. 1 is to 1 by 2. 1 is to 1 by 2 is mixed fraction. 1 is to 1 by 2 is mixed fraction. Yes. So how we do this here? See here. 2, there I have to multiply. 2 1 is to 1 by 2. There I have to multiply and this I have to add. So 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 by 2, 3 by 2. So this is mixed fraction. Now 3 by 2. 3 by 2 I can write 1 is to 1 by 2. So this is, now numerator is bigger. In previous problem A, B, C, D, E, F, denominator was bigger. So that was proper fraction. But now in this, numerator is bigger. So this is improper fraction or mixed fraction. So what I will do, I will divide the number line and number is positive. So I will take 0 to 1, 0 to 1, then I will take 1 to 2. Yes, here. This is mixed fraction. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3 upon 2. So this 2 you have to multiply and this you have to add. So 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 by 2. Yes. Yes. This is for understanding. I have written 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. So now it is 3 by 2. And yes, number line. Now I have to divide the number line between 1 and 2 because it is more than 1. 1 is to 1 by 2 means it is more than 1. 1 is to 1 by 2 means it is more than 1. So I will divide the number line between 1 and 2. I will divide the number line between 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 is to 1 by 2 means 1 plus 1 by 2. So it is more than 1. So I will divide the number line between 1 and 2. So this is 1. Then next is 1 is to 1 by 2. 1 is to 1 by 2. 1 is to 1 by 2. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. Then next is 1 is to 1 by 2. Next is 1 is to 2 by 2. 1 is to 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So we divide this. Yes. Wait. 1 is to. Yes. That is. Wait. Let me explain. 1 is to 1 by 2 means 3 by 2. So it is same as 1 plus 1 by 2. So it is more than 1. No. 1 is to 1 by 2 is more than 1. So I will divide the number line between 1 and 2. I will divide the number line between 1 and 2 into 2 equal parts. 1 and 2. Yes, right. So we divide the number line. We divide the number line between 1 and 2. Number line between 1 and 2. Between 1 and 2 into 2 equal parts. Into 2 equal parts. Into 2 equal parts. Because denominator is 2, into 2 equal parts, such that each part is equal to half, 1 by 2. Each part is equal to 1 by 2. And this is my number 1 is to 1 by 2. We divide because 1 is to 1 by 2 means 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is more than 1. 3 by 2 is bigger than 1. Yes, 3 by 2 is bigger than 1. 3 by 2 is bigger than 1. So I will divide the number line between 1 and 2. Because 1 is to 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. It is bigger than 1. it is bigger than 1, so I will divide the number line between 1 and 2 into 2 equal parts such that each part is equal to half. So first part will be 1 is to 1 by 2, then next is 1 is to 2 by 2, 2 by 2 is same as at the left of 0, see 1 is to 1 by 2, 1 is to 1 by 2 is bigger than 1. 1 is to 1 by 2 is bigger than 1, 1 plus half. That means you have to divide the number line between 1 and 2 because it is bigger than 1. This number is bigger than plus 1. This number is greater than plus 1. So I will divide the number line between 1 and 2, not between 0 and 1. I will divide the number line between 1 and 2. So, first part will be 1 is to 1 by 2. Second will be 1 is to 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is 1. 2 by 2 is 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Yes. See, denominator is 2, that is why I have divided number line between 1 and 2 into 2 equal parts. 2 equal parts. Because denominator is 2. Yes, denominator is 2, so I have divided Yes, wait. Now let us do next part. Wait, let me do one more. H 1 is to 2 by 5. 1 is to 2 by 5. 1 is to 2 by 5. So this I can write 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7 by 5. So 1 is to 2 by 5. Yes. 1 is to 2 by 5 is 1 plus 2 by 5. 1 plus 2 by 5. So it is greater than 1. 1 is to 2 by 5 is greater than 1. So I will divide the number line between 1 and 2. Because this 1 is to 2 by 5 is mixed fraction, which is greater than 1. Wait, let me continue. So I will divide the number line between 0 and 1 and 2. I will divide the number line between 1 and 2. 1 and 2, I will divide the number line between 1 and 2 into how many equal parts? Now tell me, what is the denominator? Denominator is, yes, 5. Yes. So first part will be 1 is to 1 by 5. 1 is to 1 by 5. Second part 1 is to 2 by 5. Third part 1 is to 3 by 5. Fourth part 1 is to 4 by 5. Next write 1 is to, yes, 1 is to 5 by 5. 5 by 5 means 1. So where is 1 is to 2 by 5? 1 is to 2 by 5 is this number. So we divide the number line between 1 and 2 into 5. Right. Wait. Why there is noise? This is previous problem. We divide the number line between 1 and 2 into 5 equal parts. Into 5 equal parts such that each part is equal to 1 upon 5. Each part is equal to 1 upon 5. So this is mixed fraction. This is mixed fraction. Yes. Wait, you have to. Yes, if it is over, you can leave. Bye, bye, bye. Yes, yes, yes. Bye, everybody. Bye. Practice this problem. Yes, yes, yes. You're right. Bye, 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 bye. Yes, nobody will present. Nobody will present. Bye, bye, bye. Take care. Yes, yes. Take care. Practice. Practice the problem. Do the homework. Yes, yes, yes. Do the homework without fail. Yes, yes, yes. Do the homework without fail. Bye, bye, bye. Yes, yes, yes. You're right. I'm there. Yes. Bye, bye. Yes, yes, yes. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, bye. Over? Yes. It is over? Yes, yes, right, right. Bye, 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 bye.